Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to convert PDF to Word in Acrobat 2024. So firstly, let's go to Adobe Acrobat. Now click on the document file. Now it is PDF document. You can see here. Now if you click on this file and then click on Save As, choose the destination you want to save. And from here, you have to click on this drop down menu and choose Word. Click on this Word document or docs and then click on save. After that, you can see it is opening in a PDF file, document file. Now you can add anything and write anything in here. Okay guys, so this is how you can do this. Guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.